Hello, and welcome to Technology Thursday. Today we're going to go over how to download the Bible app on a Samsung phone. If you have an Apple phone, you know what your Play Store is called. I am not familiar with it. I think it's called the App Store, but either way, this is how you get the Bible on the Samsung phone. First, you need to locate your App Store. Mine is the Play Store, which is in my Google folder here. And then you need to go to your Play Store, which is right here. You click on that. Once you're there, you will go down to this button down on the bottom where it says search, and then type in Bible or Bible app. As you see, mine comes up. The first one I have already installed. You see how it says installed? Well, I do not have the second one installed, so you click on that and you click on install. I'm not going to do that because I don't want that on my phone, but once you're there, you can also open your app. Now, within the Bible app, when you go to your home screen, you will likely see something different than I have. My husband and I have different things, and even our scriptures for the day are different in different places. But all these buttons on the bottom here is how you can walk through your Bible app. There's all kinds of things for you to explore and do. If you want to just read the Bible, you can click on that Bible function and click where mine says Judges, and it will just let you see all the books of the Bible. If you are a new believer, I would not suggest starting with Genesis. I would encourage you to start reading at the New Testament, Matthew, Mark, Luke, and John. But also down here, you can go to plans. You can find plans. These are the plans I'm currently in right now. And then you can also click on the Discover button and type in a topic there. If you would like to type in marriage, let's say you want to learn about marriage in the Bible, you can type in marriage. And then it will bring up Bible verses and plans that you can do. You can see more, you can see your account and how that works. But this is how you get the Bible app on your phone. Now, if you do not want to go here every time to find that, then what you can do is find where it downloaded on your phone. Usually it's on your farthest home screen, or you can type in the search bar. Mine is already there, but if you start typing Bible, it will come up, and then you can click it open from there. And that is how you can get the Bible on your phone and read the Bible daily. I hope that was helpful for some of you, and I hope you guys have an awesome day.